Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make honey chili potato. This popular Indo-Chinese snack is incredibly satisfying, offering a delightful blend of sweet and spicy notes. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your potatoes are perfectly crispy and coated in a luscious, flavorful sauce. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy-to-follow recipe. It's a fantastic appetizer or side dish that everyone will love, taking about 30 minutes to prepare. Achieving that perfect crispiness is key for honey chili potato. First, take about 4 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into even, finger-like pieces. Next, blanch these pieces in boiling water for approximately 5 minutes until they are slightly tender. Drain them well, then coat them thoroughly in a mixture of 2 parts corn flour and 1 part rice flour. Finally, deep fry these coated potatoes in hot oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Now, let's create the irresistible sweet and spicy sauce. In a pan, heat a little oil and sauté about 1 tablespoon each of finely minced garlic and ginger until fragrant. Then, add 1 chopped onion and 1 bell pepper, cooking them until they soften. Stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Finally, incorporate 2 generous tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes for that perfect kick. With your sauce ready and potatoes crispy, it's time for the grand finale. Carefully add all the golden brown fried potato pieces into the pan with your sweet and spicy sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each potato piece is beautifully coated in that glossy, flavorful sauce. For an extra touch, garnish generously with toasted sesame seeds and freshly chopped spring onions. Serve your homemade honey chili potato immediately while it's warm and at its crispiest. Enjoy this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.